welcome back to the channel. Today we've got episode 3 of She-Hulk. Last week we had Jen meeting with Emil Blonski to work on his parole case. Now as soon as she officially took the case, that footage leaked of Abomination and Wong fighting in Madripoor from Shang-Chi. So I'm excited to see what happens with that, if we find out who leaked the footage or if it was Wong that broke him out. But I do hope that if there is some court scenes with Emil, that maybe we hear some haikus. That would be kind of cool, I think. I want to hear a couple of them. And we did get a little bit of Bruce when he was talking to Jen about his past with Emil. And then we find out that he is on the Sakaran spaceship and he took off. So I'm guessing that he is going to be out of the picture for a little bit. I wonder if we'll touch base with him again, or if that was just the setup into a solo Hulk movie, which would be really cool too. So Jen's first few days as the head of the Superhuman Law Division is off to quite the start. Now, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up, tickle that subscribe button. Let's get into She-Hulk. That architecture is so cool.
Explain to me why you failed to mention that you not only escaped from prison, but you were also recorded doing so. You said to my face that you never turned into the Abomination anymore.
No, I was forced to leave my cell. A sorcerer supreme of the mystic arts, and his name is
Wong.
Just Wong, and his internet presence is a little chaotic.
He's got an internet presence.
I just want to make sure that you don't think this is one of those cameo every week type of shows. Well, except Bruce. And Blonsky. And Wong. Just remember whose show this actually is.
The Jennifer Walters Show. She-Hulk.
But then they gave it to a woman?
Yeah, man. I don't get it. Why are you doing it?
Bro.
So we have a Me Too movement, and now all the male heroes.
I have no problem with female heroes. I'm just saying.
They're going there though. They're just calling out all the haters. Third episode. Call them out.
People only care because I'm representing Emil Blonski. Once that's over, this whole media circus will die down.
Yeah, no.
Not gonna go away just because you're ignoring it.
Every minute I spend on this crap is one less minute I spend focusing on my job.
She just wants to be a lawyer, man.
What kind of office doesn't have any Red Bull?
Oh. Dicky. I thought we were done with this guy.
We have too much history for me to be comfortable with her on the case.
I would love to know what this is about and not work on it.
You wanted to see me?
Ah, yes, Mallory Book is also in the Superhuman Law Division.
Yeah. No.
God, that guy sucks.
Happy to not be involved.
Yeah.
Be a lawyer? He looks cool. Yeah, I'll take him.
Guy's terrible. The worst. He's the worst.
But why the Superhuman Law Division?
The girlfriend in question is a shape-shifting light elf from New Ed.
Light elf.
Okay, well, what part of shapeshifter did you not get?
You thought she drove a Passat?
Or you see, this is why I don't want Walters.
You suck, dude. Heyo, it's Wong.
Pug. Good luck. Dennis?
Dennis. God.
Everything Mr. Blonsky told you is factual. I extracted him from the prison.
Extracted him.
Oh, I know what you're thinking, Miss Walters. I'm not erasing everyone's memories, not again.
That is not
Not
my
again.
opinion, and it's highly
Wait, so Wong did it too?
I'll send him to the mirror dimension.
I don't know what that is, but no.
Shadow dimension?
Show up at the hearing and explain everything.
Very well. We'll reserve sorcery for strategy B.
Don't tap your nose.
So, are you gonna help me or not?
I'm gonna start building your case, and I will be in touch, Mr. Bukowski.
Oh my God, this guy is terrible.
What's up, bro? How's it hanging, man? I got a change of heart. I'm gonna drop the case.
Wait, what? Just now?
The truth is, I got a story to tell.
A light elf.
Hey, Jaws on the floor because I drive a Cybertruck.
Security!
Oh no.
I love harassing women in the workplace. It's my kick, baby.
Not cool.
Let that be a war.
I don't. You guys know me.
Aw.
Coming to you live from
Pug.
inside the ultra-high security
Pug's a good dude.
She-Hulk, can we get a word? Is it true you were rejected by the Avengers?
That was Jennifer Walters, also known as She-Hulk, rumored to have been rejected by
The-
the Avengers.
But the Avengers, who are the Avengers right now?
Hey, are you ready for this?
What is?
Are those your soulmates?
Oh, the 7 soulmates.
What's wrong about
Are they light elves also?
Clarify?
No.
Blair, Ruth, Marta, Sheila, Alejandra, Yvonne, and Nicolette are my soulmates. We met through the prison pen pal program. They are my better eights.
Better eighths.
Love you.
I don't think we need to get into that any further. Any other questions?
Yeah. Yeah, they all have questions. Yay, there he is.
My apologies, Miss Walters. Emil.
Ah, finally!
I lost track of time.
Excuse me, Your Honor, but Asgard is not a place. It is a people. Therefore,
Star Wars inspirational speeches are not admissible in court.
Your Honor, this case is very cut and dry. My client.
I love this show. It's great.
In light of some new information I've just received, I'm changing my ruling.
Oh, come on, Runa. This is getting a little broad.
Impersonating a judge is illegal. Get down from there.
Get down from there.
In regard to Mr. Blonsky vacating his cell, I gave him no choice. But it was absolutely his choice to return. I offered him asylum at Kamatage, which is truly lovely this time of the year. But he was quite adamant he'd be returned to serve out his sentence and repay his debt to society.
There you go, Wong.
Thank you.
Well, that may be true of Emil Blonski, but I mean, when Blonsky uncontrollably becomes abomination, isn't he a raging monster out for blood?
Excuse me? If I could just put your minds at ease.
He's gonna change.
No.
Show he has control.
Emil.
Okay.
Oh my god.
No. Force is not necessary.
As you can see, I'm in full control.
Emil!
Calm down.
He's got control, so he's like a smart abomination. A smartination.
He deserves a future as a free man and a productive citizen.
Yeah.
Thank you. We will
Seems
adjourn
like
for
it.
today and
as for Mr. Wong,
Uh-oh.
The Sorcerer Supreme, master of the mystic arts, leader and former librarian of Kamatage.
yeah, you realize that you've just admitted to facilitating a prisoner escape, which is a crime.
I must depart.
Later. Sorcerer Supreme kind of more important.
There she is. How do you plan to take Blonsky down when he rampages again? Care to respond to claims that you're one of Blonsky's rumored soulmates?
Is there any truth to the rumors you got your powers from a mafia hit gone wrong?
Was that the origin in the comics, a mafia hit?
God, Dennis Bukowski.
Oh, yeah. No, you're gonna need that.
Connecting the A and B story. Nice.
How did you two work with him for so long?
Nice.
Oh, I killed
Love
him
it.
in my head.
How would you characterize Mr. Bukowski in relation to his romantic life?
A walking toolbox.
self-absorbed, chauvinistic, conceited. He once described himself as a New York 10 and an LA 11. He nicknamed his office the Denisphere.
Objection. Relevance.
Mr. Bukowski, need I remind you that you're not representing yourself here? And this is your witness. But I agree. Absolutely is.
Dennis Bukowski is an almost pathologically entitled man. He would absolutely believe that he's dating the real Megan Thee Stallion because he is truly that delusional.
No further questions.
Burned. Called you out and yes, embarrasses him. Win for Pug.
We also sentenced the defendant to 60 days for impersonating a judge.
No, 9? That's right. There's only one Megan Thee Stallion.
Hey, do you guys think I have a shot with the real Megan Thee Stallion? Should
Oh
I
my
go
God.
back? No.
Yeah, no, do it. Do it. Please try. Somebody film it. They already have a decision. Let's move right through it. We can be done with the abomination line after the third. Then it all opens up.
After reviewing his record, we hereby grant Mr. Blonsky's release on parole.
Hey, there we go. Jen got the win.
Thank you. Jen, I'm in your debt. Yeah. Spiritually, of course.
Just stay out of the news. That's all I ask. I don't want to read any more stories about either of us.
Well, you might want to reconsider that. I mean, they're going to write a story about you one way or the other.
Yeah.
Better to be a part of it, really.
Lean into it. Like she said, genie's out of the bottle. Uh-oh. What is? Who is that?
I got her.
Whoa.
Oh, wait.
Oh yeah.
Get off me.
Who are these two? Oh, three.
If you're gonna strut around showing off your powers, you better be able to back it up.
Is it a W?
Strut around and show off my powers.
Oh.
Did you guys rob an Asgardian construction worker?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did.
All right, let's do this.
Uh-oh. Oh. Did she? Okay. For a second, I thought she ripped his head off and smacked him with it, and I was like, that was violent. But she didn't.
Thunderball. Did you get it? No.
Thunderball. What was that look?
Hi, there's my new favorite client.
Just your signature there. And then just initial. Good. And
Is this the light elf, or is it actually her? Slash dance.
I will kill for you, Megan Thee Stallion. Dial it back.
Awesome. That's funny. Oh, that was a great episode. That was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed this show. I know it's getting a lot of hate, and those people are just, they're going to hate everything no matter what it is. So I just try to avoid all that. This show's fantastic. It's so much fun. It was great that we got through the Emil stuff. He's on parole, so he's going to go live with his 7 soulmates on a plot of land. And that's the last we see of him. Maybe. I don't know. I really like the dynamic of Jen and Nikki and Pug when they were all hanging out in the bar after Pug got his first experience with Dennis. They just had a really great chemistry. I'm excited to see more of that and see that trio grow. Again, great fourth wall breaks with the beginning, talking about that it's not just a cameo show, even though we've had a cameo each week, which makes me think that, is there going to be a little cameo every week? I mean, we know we're getting one more based on the trailers, because we knew Abomination, Tim Roth was going to be in there. We knew Wong was going to be in there. And we did see a one Matthew Murdock, aka Daredevil. So we know we get that one. So that's 4 out of 9 episodes. Is there 5 more cameos? I guess we'll see. And then you had the other fourth wall break where she was connecting to A to B storylines. Nice. Just little things like that. It's just fantastic. I love it. So good. And so now we've got the Abomination storyline seemingly wrapped up. So remembering back to the trailers, that seemed to be, we're pretty much caught up with the trailer, right? So we did kind of get to see Jen get into her first fight as She-Hulk as well. We had the little scuffle with Titania, but that was over pretty quick. But this one, she had, there was those 4 Asgardian construction dudes that showed up with their shiny toys that didn't do anything to her. It looked like they were trying to maybe extract some blood for, I don't know, some kind of test. They seemed like, I don't know, they didn't seem like scientists to me. But when she was in her She-Hulk form, they couldn't get the needle in. It just immediately broke. So that's kind of an interesting thing. I wonder where that's going to go, or who's behind that, because I don't think it's just them, and I don't think I think somebody gave them those weapons. So we'll see where that goes into, and I'm not sure what that look was that she gave to herself there at the end. So I can't wait till next Thursday. So I hope we get a second season of this. This has been just a blast to watch. I really enjoy it. And can I just say, I thought we were done with Dennis. I thought we were done with this guy. Every time we see him, he gets more screen time, and he just gets worse and worse and worse. Get him out. Who do you think Jen's next client's going to be? Let me know down in the comments, and while you're there, hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that bell. You know what to do. I'll see you in the next one.